Hi viewers, this is the second part of Cambridge International AS India level, February-March, paper 1 to 9709, and we will continue from question number 5 onwards. Here we have points A 7, 12 and B lie on a circle with center -2, 5. The line AB has equation y is equal to -2x plus 26. Find the coordinate of B. So here we will draw first circle, then a line, and if you see carefully, the point which is in center of a circle is given. It is -2, 5, and its circumference. One point A is also given, 7, 12. So we will find out the distance from center to end, which means R radius. Okay, that is OA is equal to R. I will use the formula x2 minus x1 whole squared plus y2 minus y1 whole squared, and R square is equal to, I will apply a square both side, and x2 minus x1 means 7 plus 2 whole square plus 12 minus 5 whole square, which gives us 9, and 7, 81 plus 49, it is equal 130. And we know equation of circle with center A comma B and radius is x minus A whole square plus y minus B whole square is equal to R square. So we have given center is -2, 5. So it means x plus 2 whole square and y minus 5 whole square is equal to 130. And then we can expand as well as we can replace, as we are looking the second point, our coordinate B, which is another intersection of the circle, and one linear and one non-linear equation. So how to find point of intersection? By substitution, by elimination, by comparing. So I will replace the value of y in this equation of circle. That becomes x plus 2 whole square plus -2x plus 26 minus 5 whole square is equal to 130. After this, we can expand x square plus 4x plus 4 plus, here we can write 2x plus 21 2 times is squared plus 21 is equal to 130. Next step, x square plus 4x plus 4. We have 4x squared minus 42x, again minus 42x. 21 multiplied by 21, we can check in calculator. It is 21 multiplied 21. That gives me 441, and bring 130 from right to left, it would be minus. X squared plus 4x squared gives us 5x squared, and then 4x minus 42x minus 42x gives us minus 84 plus 4, which gives us minus 80, and plus 441 minus 130 and plus 4, it gives us 315, and all are divisible by 5. So x square 80 divided by 5 gives us 16, and 315 divided by 5, that gives us 63. So we have 63 is equal to 0. Now we move on next part to find out the value of x. by using factorization concept or quadratic formula. So factorization can work here also. If you see the product is 63 and the sum is minus 16, so 9 into 7, that will work for us. So x square minus 9x minus 7x plus 63 is equal to 0. We can take x common as group factorization, x minus 9 minus 7 common, so x minus 9 equals 0. So we have x minus 9 and x minus 7 is equal to 0, which means x is equal to 9, x is equal to 7. So as we know that x is 7 already given, so we will ignore and count or consider x is equal to 9. And at x is equal to 9, y is equal to minus 2x plus this plus 26, yes, becomes what? We will find out the value of y coordinate. So 2 into 9 plus 26, which gives us minus 18 plus 26, it is equal 8. So it means the coordinate of B are 9 comma 8. I hope so you get the answer. Next question is 6. The expansion x over a plus a over x square whole power 7, it is given that coefficient of x power 4 over coefficient of x equal 3. So find the possible value of the constant a. We can apply binomial formula, and if you think about binomial, that is a plus b whole power n, which is equal n0. This is combination a power n, then plus n to 1 a power n minus 1 b, and then n to 2 a power n minus 2 b squared up to so on n to n b power n. So we will apply the combination binomial formula here, and this is binomial expansion, and n to 0 or n to 1, how to find? We can use this formula. Remember, n to r is equal n factorial over r factorial n minus r factorial. But we need only two values of coefficient, x4 and x. So be careful when you expand. X over a plus a over x square whole power 7. So first thing, 7 to 0, and x over a power 7. Next step, 7 to 1, and we have x over a whole power 6 and a over x squared. And think about that, if you simplify x power 6 with x squared, it becomes exactly x4. So this is the one of the answer will help us. We do one more. Next term can be 7 to 2 x over a whole power 5 and a over x squared power 2. We will increase plus up to so on. And if you think about this one also, x power 5, we can cancel with x power 4, so it becomes exactly x. So here we have x. It means we need these two terms, second and third. Okay, that will help us up to so on. So we can stop expanding here and move on next part, which is this one. We need coefficient of this. So if I simplify 7 to 1, I will simplify these two, this one and this one. So 7 to 1 means 7 factorial. I can expand 7 multiply 6 factorial over 1 factorial means 1, bracket open, 7 minus 1, and x power 6 over a power 6 multiply a over x power 2. And if you check, this one is 7 multiply 6 multiply 5 factorial. Why I'm stopping at 5? Because I can cancel with next step. So here I have 2 factorial, which means 2 multiply 7 minus 2 gives us 5 factorial. And x power 5 over a power 5 multiply a power 2 over x power 4. And if I check the next step, 6 factorial can cancel 7 minus 1, which gives us 6. This can cancel. So I have 7 over a power 6. Now we can cancel a power 6 with a power 1. So that gives me a power 5, and x power 6 minus 2 gives us 4. And the next value, 5 factorial with 5 factorial. So 2 multiplied by 3. 2 factorial is equal to, okay, 2 multiplied by 3, 6. So 7 multiplied by 3, 21 over x power 5 can cancel with x a power 2 with a power 5. So that remaining value of a is a power 3. And x power 5 with x power 4. So 5 minus 4 gives us x. So now you can see that the coefficient of x4 is 7 over 5. 7 over x a power 5, and the coefficient of x is 21 over a power 3 that we need to replace. So we can say that coefficient of x4, it is 7 over a power 5 over coefficient of x is 21 over a power 3, which is equal 3. Next step, it is 7 over a power 5 multiply a power 3 over 21 is equal to 3. Cancel 3 with 5, 7 with 3. So we have 1 over 3a square is equal to 3. Next step, we can say that 1 is equal to 9a square, or a square is equal to 1 over 9, or a is equal to plus minus 1 over 3. So this is our required answer. I hope so you get it. Next question. Is 7. That is, by first obtaining a quadratic equation in cos theta, solve the equation from 0 to 360. So we will see. We know that sine theta, we know tan theta equal what? Tan theta equal sine theta over cos theta. That will help us. I will replace here. So we know that tan theta sine theta equal 1 means sine theta over cos theta. This is sine theta equal 1. This gives us sine square theta over cos theta. So you can multiply other side. It means it is cos theta. Next step, sine square theta minus cos theta is equal to 0. And we know sine square theta plus cos square theta equal 1. It means sine square theta equal 1 minus cos square theta. Apply this formula. So 1 minus cos square theta minus cos theta is equal to 0. We can rearrange to say that I'm multiplying minus also, okay? So cos square theta plus cos theta minus 1 is equal to 0. This is quadratic form. It is same as like x square plus x minus 1 is equal to 0. So by applying a quadratic formula, we can say that cos theta is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. Here, the value of b, value of a is 1, b is 1, and c is minus 1. So as I said, b is 1, so minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 square 1 minus 4a is 1, c is minus 1 over 2a, a is 1. That gives us minus 1 plus minus square root of minus minus plus 4 plus 1 over 2 cos theta. So we will check on first positive, like cos theta is equal to minus 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 means theta is equal to cos inverse minus 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. So we can check in the calculator. Shift cos. So we have minus 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 bracket close. That gives me 51.8. Theta equal 51.8. But remember that theta is positive because this is cos curve, and cos curve start from 0, from 1, at 90 it is 0, at 180 minus 1, 270 again 0, and 361. So it means it is positive in first quadrant and third quadrant. So first answer is okay. Third quadrant you can check by subtracting from 360. Okay, you will find out the second answer. Theta is equal to 360 minus 51.8. That gives me 360 minus 51.8. That gives me 308.2. So these are the answers of this required curve or sets. And maybe the question is, why not we check on negative number? So if you check on negative number, it is not exist. Okay, so you will get answer only on positive plus square root of 5, not on negative. Okay, move on next question. Let us show that 10 theta over sine theta minus sine theta over 10 theta equal 10 theta sine theta. So we'll take left hand side, which is 10 theta over sine theta minus sine theta over 10 theta. By taking LCM sine theta 10 theta, we can say that here 10 square theta minus sine square theta. Next step, we know sine 10 is equal sine over cos, so we can say that sine square theta over cos square theta minus sine square theta over sine theta, and tan theta is sine theta over cos theta. Next step, we can take LCM as cos square theta, so it gives us sine square theta minus sine power 4 theta over cos square theta multiply sine theta into sine theta over cos theta. So after simplification, we can cancel cos square with cos theta, and here we have sine square theta minus sine power 4 theta if we check carefully here we are okay. So sine square theta into cos square theta, this is sine square cos square theta, so sine square cos square theta over down we have cos theta sine square theta. Now remember that I can apply cos square theta. The value of cos square theta means sine square theta minus sine square theta. Cos square theta is 1 minus sine square theta over cos theta sine square theta. So multiply inside sine square theta. That gives me sine square theta minus sine square theta minus minus plus sine 4 theta over cos theta sine square theta. Next step, we can cancel sine square theta with sine square theta. So there is sine power 4 theta. Sine power 4 theta over cos theta sine square theta. Sine square can cancel with 4. So the remaining thing is sine square theta over cos theta, which is equal sine theta over cos theta into sine theta. The last thing we can say that sine over cos is tan. So tan theta dot sine theta. This is our right hand side. So we proved. Next question. 8. 8 is about the diagram shows triangle ABC in which angle B is our right angle. The length of AB is 8 centimeter and the length of BC is 4 centimeter. The point D on AB is such that AD is equal to 5. The sector DAC is a part of a circle. So remember that DAC represent a circle, a sector. So it means this must be 5. Now, first we try to find out the angle here that will help us. So we know if we represent the angle here, it means this is adjacent, 3 is adjacent and 4 is opposite. So we can apply tan. Tan of angle D. Let's suppose we are checking at D. So opposite is 4 and adjacent is 3. So means angle D is equal tan inverse 4 over 3. That gives me, we'll check all these answers on radian. This is 4. So look, shift tan inverse 4 over 3. This is 3. 4 over 3. That gives me 0.927. 0.927. This will help us. If I check this angle, this one, if this is 0.927, so total angle is 180 straight line angle, or we can say that pi, okay, in radian. So I would say the angle of ADC means ADC is equal pi minus 0.927. So here we can check again. Shift pi minus 0.927. That gives me 2.21. If you want to write one more, so 2.215. So that is my angle. And look, we are looking the perimeter of shaded region. So we need AC. So AC, I can apply cosine, which help us. Opposite sides and angle, we know that. This is 2.215. So AC whole square is equal to 5 square plus 5 square minus 2 into 5 into 5 cos radian 2.215. That gives me 25 plus 25 minus 50 cos 2.215. Next step, 50 minus 50 cos 2.215. We can check in calculator. So 50 minus 50 cos 2.215, that gives me 80. 80.0. We can say that 80.03. And after this, we need square root of this. So of answer, we'll get 8.95. We can say that 8. So the side AC 8.95. So this will help us to find out the perimeter. But before moving on perimeter, we have to find arc length. Okay. So arc length of A, if we check carefully, it is AC. Yes. Arc length of AC is equal to R theta. So R is 5 and theta is 2.215, which gives us 5 multiply 2.215. It gives me 11.08. 11.08. And for perimeter, we will add arc length with AC, the chord, which is 8 point. This is 8.95. It is equal 11.08 plus 8.95. It is 20.03. So we can consider 20.0. 3 significant figure. So this is our required answer of first part. Second part, they want us to find area. So first, they want shaded region. We will find out the sector area and area of triangle, and then at the end, shaded region. Okay. So area of triangle, ADC. ADC is equal 1 over 2, 5 multiplied by 5 sine 2.215. If we check in the calculator, this angle is 2.215. Remember, we already found in the previous part. Now we can check in the calculator. 25 multiply sine 2.215 divide by 2. It gives me 9.99, which is 10.0. So next one is area of sector. Area of sector equal 1 over 2 r square theta. 1 over 2 r is 5. Theta is 2.215, which gives us 25 over 2, 2.215. If you check in the calculator, 25, 2.215 divide by 2, that gives me 27.7, and the last answer which we are looking, shaded region. So shaded part or shaded region is area of sector 27.7 minus 10.0, that gives me 27.7 minus 10.0 gives me 17.7. So this is the required shaded part or shaded region. I hope so you get how we find out the answer. So for the rest of the answers, see you next video. I hope so you understand. Thank you.